Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a new tutorial. For today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to crochet this stitch, mini heart-shaped stitch. Elegant looking. I am planning to crochet myself a cardigan, so stay tuned for that. But first I need to show you how to crochet the stitch. For the tutorial, this one is a heavy, chunky yarn that I'm knitting for donation. But for the tutorial, I'm going to be using this yarn. It is, I don't know if you can read it. This is called Organic Baby Cotton. It's 100% cotton, and it's a DK weight. I bought it from Ice Yard, and here's the number. You can go and check it if you want. These are left over from my blanket that I've been making. Okay, so what you need to do is, this is done 4 rows, I believe. It's a multiple of 8 plus 3, so you need to chain multiple of 8 plus 3, and I did 3 times 8 plus 3. And this is what I got. I think I did 8 times 2 plus 3. Yeah. And then it needs to end up with 3 double crochet. So, and then beginning with the 3 double crochet. Okay. So let's repeat 3 rows, repeat after another. Okay, so let's get started. So I am going to be crocheting with a 3mm crochet hook. My tulip erased, so I'm assuming this is not the real deal. I don't know if you have any tulip crochet hooks, and if this happened to yours, let me know, because the number 3, I guess I'm using a lot, and it erased, like the numbers are gone. But I know it's a number 3 because as soon as I'm finished with it, I put it into the case, and I put it, I don't know why this isn't focusing, huh? Okay, let me hold it this way. Something wrong with the camera, I'm sorry. It's showing blurry. Okay, so I am going to chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you can do it this way, or what you can do it, there's another trick that I showed. I do have on my tutorials. So what you do is you chain 3, and then what you do is, here we go, finally it focused. You go yarn over and you come to the first one right here, and then you pull 1, 2, 3, and then you continue on. You come right here into that V, you pull 1, pull 2, so you pull at 3. Okay, and then I think this is way better. And what you do is you do multiple of 8 plus 3, so you count these 1, 2, 3, like that, 3, 4, and then you continue on. So let me continue making 8 multiple of 8 plus 3, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have chained, let's see, so I'm counting 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, and then I have extra one. Okay, so this is just a sample, just to show you how to crochet this. So we're going to go chain 3 to go up, turn our work, and on the second we're going to make a double crochet. So the first 3s are going to be double crochet, so I am counting the chain as well. Here we go. We're going to chain 3. So we're going to skip 1, 2 on the third right here. We're going to make a slip stitch. Again, 1, 2, 3, skip 2 on the third. Now we're going to make double crochets. So 3 double crochets. And then again, we're going to chain 1, 2, 3, skip 2 on the third, make a slip stitch. 1, 2, 3. Again, skip 1, 2 on the third, make a double crochet. So 1, 2, and on the chain right here, make a double crochet. So we finished row 2. So I'm counting this as double crochet while I did it with you. And then, so we're going to chain 3 to go up, turn our work, and then make double crochet on top of the double crochet. Okay, so we have 3 double crochet at the beginning and 3 at the end, as I said. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, so total of 6. On the third, we're going to go back. We're making a picot, so make a slip stitch. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and then come right here on top of the double crochet, make your double crochet, and followed with another double crochet. And then the third double crochet, and we're going to repeat this. This is how it looks like. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, I don't know what happened there. The yarn kinda, this is organic yarn, so I must, thinking, did I split it? Or was the yarn, let me see, I think I split it down. It's me. Okay, so again, we're going to repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On the third, we're going to come back and we're going to make a slip stitch right on that chain to create the picot. And then we're going to chain 1, 2, 3, and then come back here on top of the double crochet. We're going to make 3 double crochets. It's super easy and the end result is fantastic. And I saw this lady, she's making cardigans, sweaters using this stitch with different yarn, linen yarn, and so on. I just had to share it with you. So I do have pink yarn. I am planning Care on Cake pink I found. So I'm planning to make myself a cardigan, hopefully. 2, 3 to go up. So we are going to make the following row, which is all double crochets. Okay, so make double crochet on top of the double crochet. So you will have, oops, here we go. And then we're going to hold this picot down. And then on that 3 chain, we're going to make 2 double crochet. Okay. And where the picot that we made, right there in that picot, we're going to make a double crochet somewhere here. And then we're going to make 2 more on the 3 chains. So you should have total of 5 double crochets on this space here. And be sure to have your picot facing down. Okay, and then we make 3 double crochets on top of the double crochet. Just like this. Okay, and the heart shape is showing. I think it looks way better on the red yarn. And then we continue, we repeat what we just did. Hold your picot facing down and then make 2 double crochets on the 3 chain. And then 1 on top of that picot. And when you do that, facing it down, it will stay like that. And 2 on the 3 chain. And then continue on making 3 double crochets. Chain 3 to go up. And then you finished the 1 piece, and then we repeat this over and over until the length that you need. So stay tuned. I am planning to make a cardigan, but unfortunately I have to do these on pieces. I can't do it top down. Thought about it, but then the picots would not work. So 1, 2, 3 to go up, and then skip 2 on the 3rd, make a slip stitch. Yeah, I think 1, 2, 3, this yarn looks good with the stitch. And then you just repeat what we just did. So you can go back, rewind, and then just follow along. It's just to repeat what I just showed you over and over. Here is the other one. This is how it looks like. Oops. And this is how it looks like on the small one. Because the yarn being thin, it looks way smaller, but I like this one. Don't you think? Don't you agree? So like I said, you just repeat what I just showed you, and then you go on. I really like this stitch, I'm sorry. And then you can add pearls, you can add beads, you can do anything you want. Well, there are yarns with seagulls that you can crochet with, and I just grabbed whatever I had and wanted to share the stitch. So that's what I am planning to do, knit a cardigan with a cotton yarn. Or else I'm thinking I might even go with a linen. I think I have linen somewhere. So stay tuned. But like I said, it can be done only in pieces. I can't do this one piece top down. So I might start from the bottom, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so I hope you like this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button and give me the thumbs up if you like my videos, and I hope you do. You guys take care, and happy crafting, happy crocheting. Bye-bye.